Sige!
Finally, a laid-back +5 Windrunner Spire, an easy,
Stop.
relaxed queue to finally get
Hindi ka nga pa. Tayo.
Tayo, tayo.
2,000
Tayo, tayo.
2,088 rating. Holy shit.
Stop.
Despite some real bumps in the road, that was so easy. The second of my 3 goals were down. It's okay.
Yay!
Saying it was so easy to 2,000 rating.
Yeah, pinunit.
Hindi daw.
A few days before I was
Cut mo na lang. Pakita ko kila tatay.
I thought tier only dropped in rate, but it turns out in retail WoW, there's a whole different thing. You can get all of your tier pieces that I've never done before. It's great. I can take it for figuring this out, but I feel like right above, like tier one,
Sige!
finally, a laid-back +5 Windrunner Spire, an easy,
Stop.
relaxed queue to finally
Hindi ka nga pa. Tayo.
Tayo, tayo.